Hello aspirants, you're hearing to the aspirant voice. In this video, we are going to discuss about the vision for the future, that is Web 3. Currently, we have crossed the phases Web 1.0, 2.0. Now it's a time for Web 3.0. 3.4. So, without any delay, let's discuss this topic. Let's understand. See, whenever you're discussing a topic or understanding a topic, it's important for you to understand the context of this topic, because UPSC may ask this question, and also the current versions about it and the concerns, and also the issue for it to become a reality, that is like economical issues, or you can say business conflicts, and finally the way forward, understanding and deep insight about it. So this is the pattern we are giving, and in this pattern I want you people to remember. In this way the current affair can be easily helpful for you to remember, and this will be helpful in you for you to making your answers look well. So now let's discuss the context. In 2021 there was a lot of discussion about the term Web 3.4, which was coined to describe the possible next stage in the evolution of the internet. Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 are two different models of the internet currently in use, and the new model, which is based on blockchain, that is Web 3.4 technology, 3.4 is basically based on the blockchain technology, would be completely different. And in contrast to the current situation where technology companies own platforms and applications, users will have ownership stakes in the Web 3, that is Web 3.4. So let's understand the current versions that we should be aware of. So while understanding Web 3, you have to require to understand Web 1.0 and 2.0. So basically Web 1.0 is the first version of the internet or the World Wide Web, created in the year 1989. And from 1993 onward, it became a household name, that is World Wide Web. So the early days of the internet were dominated by static web pages, where users would go to the website and then read and interact with the static data. When e-commerce websites first appeared, they were still a closed environment where users could not post their own content or reviews. By 1999, only a small subset of the web had moved on from version 1.4 to the web version 2.4, which features were fully available in 2004, and the Web 2.0 era began. The Web 2.0 era is not over yet, but 3.4 is still under development, and mostly it is a new technology that is going to be new household name in, like, say, next 1 to 2 years. So the Web 2.4, it differs from Web 1.4 in that it allows users to create their own content, and to participate they can comment, like, share and upload their own photos and videos, as well as other activities. The best example is the Facebook, Twitter, or else you can say the blogging, so on. Web 2.4's distinguishing feature is a social media type of interaction. But there are some concerns. Like, see, few large companies control or own the vast majority of the internet data and traffic in Web 2.4. As a result, concerns have been raised about issues like data privacy, security, and misuse. And one can't help but feel let down, because the internet's original intent has been muddled, and the Web 3 buzz is significant in this context. Web 3 has seen an increase in discussion in recent years because of the rise in the popularity of cryptocurrency. As you may know, the cryptocurrency is not yet having any legal tender in many of the countries. So this will be a new issue if Web 3.0 is widely adopted. So now, what is Web 3 and how will it address the data monopoly issues? Let's discuss about it. So basically, the decentralized, fair, and user-controlled internet is what the Web 3 Foundation claims will be delivered by Web 3. Both the buyer and seller must be registered on a shop or platform like Amazon in order to conduct business with each other. The current function of this platform is to verify that the buyer and seller are legitimate participants in the transaction. By removing the platform, Web 3 is attempting to simplify the things. Like, blockchain technology will be used to assist in verifying the identity of the buyer. The seller has the same obligations. And the date, time, and location of the transaction are preserved in perpetuity due to the blockchains. We have to thank to this technology. And peer-to-peer, like seller to buyer transactions, are possible because of the intermediary eliminated in Web3. Other transactions may also benefit from this idea. To illustrate this point, imagine a photo sharing application for social media such as Instagram. There is no need for social media accounts for all participants to be able to perform their broadcast operation from the person aided by blockchain. So technically, they believe in decentralized autonomous organization (DAO), which means that all business and regulatory rules are openly available for everyone to see, and that all software is written in accordance with these rules are part of the spirit of Web3. But no central authority is needed to authenticate or validate a DAO, that is decentralized autonomous organization transactions. And DAO principle can be applied to the cryptocurrency and the blockchain. Now let's discuss the way forward. So, high profile industry and academic technologists are skeptical of Web3, claiming the technology does not address the issues it claims to address. Web3 isn't going anywhere, according to tech entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is the founder of Twitter. Elon Musk, I guess you don't need the introduction. For Web3, the current architecture of front end and middle layer and back end will have to be replaced, and Web3's architecture will necessitate back end solutions for handling the blockchain, storing and indexing data in the blockchain, and so on. So, the middle layer, known as the business rules layer, will also need to handle blockchain based backends in order to function properly. And Web3 may or may not become the dominant mode of internet management, but the question raises are very much important. So this is about a vision for the future, that is Web3. I hope you do like this video. If you do like this video, please share to your friends, and also the notes link will be given in the description. You can follow on my website also. Thank you.